doing?
Tickling his feet
Tickling his feet?
so he can kick. What's kick?
Is he trying to read a book? Are you guys being silly?
Yeah. Wrapping around my leg. Like a
Sit
cast on my leg.
Uh-oh. Let's not stand there. What are you doing? You're pretending to make a cast?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Uh-oh. That's not a good choice. Can you get down, please?
I'm doing push-ups.
Push-ups. Good push-ups. Oh, look. He was ready for another. Don't jump. Don't do it. Oh! Can you give Lottie a hug? Give her a big snuggle. Big hug. Oh. Give him a kiss.
I'm not at the bar.
Lottie, how do you get your hair to be so curly?
Bob, it always stays curly.
It's
Daddy.
always curly?
Yeah.
What about if you have a bath? Then
Still curly.
what about if you go to preschool?
Still curly.
Oh, be soft for us, please. Why does it do that?
Because it stays curly.
How did you get curly hair? Did you go to the curly hair store?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Where's the curly hair store at?
The pizza store.
What?
Yeah. They will tell you where the room is.
The pizza store will tell you where to find the curly hair?
Yeah, the curly hair room. Then the curly hair will never be uncurled.
What if you woke up tomorrow and your hair was straight? How would you feel?
Still curly.
But what if you woke up and it was different and it was all straight? How would you feel? Is that your sad face? You would feel sad? Well, I love your curls. Forrest, where'd you get your messy face? Why do you have a messy face?
Because I ate cookies.
What did you eat?
Cookies.
Can you say cookie? Say cookie. Okay, can you guys say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. This is a bird cage, and there's no birds in it.
What good is a bird cage without birds, huh?
Now we need birds in it.
What color bird would you pick?
Purple.
Purple birds?
Yeah.
See you soon. Bye-bye.